So Miriam Zhumanazarova of Kyrgyzstan in the red, Nabira Yesimbayeva of Uzbekistan in the blue. Zhumanazarova, the woman expected to bring this ticket through for Kyrgyzstan. Olympic bronze medalist from Tokyo is the Kyrgyz wrestler. Yesimbayeva looking to go to her first Olympic Games. Yeah, clear picture here of Zhumanazarova on the front foot, putting forward pressure on Yesimbayeva.
Well, that's what she needs to keep doing. She needs to keep applying that forward pressure, using her hands, just try and be the offensive wrestler for the whole 6 minutes. Cannot afford to take a step back, especially in such an important match like this with the home crowd. Yesimbayeva now on the activity clock. She does not score within that 30 seconds, will give a point away.
Cheers for that point added to Zhumanazarova's total. Solitary point though it may be at this stage. There was only 7 wrestlers entered into the draw at 68 kilograms, and that meant Zhumanazarova had to wrestle 3 times this morning, winning 2 of those, losing 1 to Pak. Yesimbayeva, meanwhile, only had 2, and she's not quite as battle-hardened as Zhumanazarova, who's going to turn this into a flurry of points just before the break. Or she waited and waited, and then she delivered.
Yeah, great timing when she decided, it's almost as if she was waiting for that last 10 seconds to go for those points. Absolutely great work there.
Really crafty from Zhumanazarova.
Great shot just before the end here. Double leg attack, takes her down, cinches up that leg lace here, drops down onto the ankles, manages to lock it up, and then takes her off the mat for another 2 points.
Challenge though from Yesimbayeva.
Challenge decision, 2-point takedown and 2-point in time for leg cross. So 2 red and challenge lost.
And that challenge as well, so an extra point to Zhumanazarova. George, the attack was just what you like to see. Once that initial effort has been made, then moving quickly, then take for the takedown.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you've only got a split second after your initial attack to try and lock something up. Once it's locked in, it's so tight because your opponent's not had time to set themselves yet, so incredibly important.
Is that a thumb from Zhumana-Zarova?
Yeah. Just holding on to a thumb there a little bit. Don't know whether a thumb had been grabbed or she kind of posted on Esenbayeva a little.
They are not nice joints to tweak, the thumbs, are they? They really, really can hurt.
No, what happens a lot in wrestling is your opponent does like half a shot in and you try and block with your hands, and sometimes the shoulder will hit your thumb and then knock it all the way back, and it is incredibly painful. Even if the adrenaline is going, you feel it, and especially the next day.
But in the moment can affect your ability to grip up and make the next attack. And you can see how Zhumana-Zarova's holding it on that left arm of hers. That does not look comfortable at all. She's going to have to wrestle through an awkward feeling at best. She's going to score again potentially. If she can turn this over, she instead has points scored on her.
A great little reversal there from Esenbayeva, and put her in a really dangerous position. If she was a little bit more savvy with it, could have almost pinned her there. So Zhumana-Zarova needs to be careful. Just take her time. You're winning 6-0. I know you want to put points on the board for the home crowd, but to what cost? Just relax, take your time. Limp arm attempts there, so the pressure was coming, tried to throw a hand forward. Will drive her out for that 1 point. Great work.
There's a long rest between now and Paris for the winner of this one. Whereas if you have to go to the World Qualifier in Istanbul in 10 days' time, that's something to have to get ready for the loser of this contest. Zhumana-Zarova at the gazon.
Well, that's not the only time it will get hit. It will get constantly grabbed, knocked back in the rest of the match as well. So it's not just in that moment, but for the rest of the fight as well. It does keep getting hit. I mean, 30 seconds left. She doesn't need to risk anything here. Just keep compact, keep defensive work going.
Last 10 for Zhumana-Zarova to see out. She's been thwarted in the final stages of fights earlier in the competition, but she's going to see this through. Now, isn't that the sweetest sounds in Bishkek for Miriam Zhumana-Zarova, who has wrestled through the pain barrier to bring a ticket to Paris, home for Kyrgyzstan.
Ladies and gentlemen,